Thank you so much. Let's start with the presentation and the citations on the awardees of our vocational awards.
Introducing our recipient of our Vocational Excellence Award, Dayanand Reddy. Mr. A. Dayanand Reddy is a man of precision, a synonym of excellence, and known as the mogul of mold-making machines. An entrepreneur from childhood, he rose to fame by taking his company Vasanta Enterprise to becoming one of the top 2 businesses in the country in the field of mold making. He has not only made a name for himself in the Indian market, but also internationally. Dayanand Reddy hails from Nizamabad and pursued his mechanical engineering from KITS Warangal. He completed his post-graduation from Indo-Danish Tool Room, New Delhi. In August 1989, with a few basic machines and 10 employees, he started Vasanta Tool Crafts, a company which manufactures plastic injection molds for various engineering, healthcare, FMCG, and other sectors. Soon, the company grew exponentially with over 600 employees and with an annual turnover of 350 crores. The 3,000 molds manufactured by his company are in use in more than 40 countries. Vasanta is one of the preferred suppliers to Unilever, its biggest FMCG customer. 60% of his products are exported and 40% are for the local market. He has 100% retention of customers. With operations in 3 continents, Asia, Europe, and North America, and all the success seen, Mr. Dayanand Reddy is down to earth. He values people and believes in empowering them. He has inspiring plans to start centers for youth development, especially in rural areas. He values his educators and has named several of his business units after them, and he has given employment to a lot of retired teachers. Dayanand Reddy, a pioneer, a thinker, an innovator, a man on a mission. He believes that if something is possible in some part of the world, we Indians can do it too. We are indeed proud to confer this award on someone who is putting India on the global map of manufacturing mold making machines of Vasanta Tool Crafts to receive his honor. Please, sir. I request our District Governor, Shri Hanuman Reddy Garu, to present him with a shawl. I request our past District Governor, Sam Pativatna Garu, to give him a bouquet.
Sir, thank you.
I now request our Rotary International President Representative, Shri Sriramurthy Garu, to give him the award. Sir, may I request you to give us a few words?
Good evening, everybody. Governor Sri N. Hanuman Reddy Garu of Rotary District 3150 and other dignitaries on the dais, friends from the industry, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I would like to thank Rotary District 3150 for inviting me here and bestowing on me this honor and the felicitation. I didn't know until recently that Rotary International, the people of action, has the practice of identifying some performing local businessmen or technocrats and honor them for the work done in their respective field. This is a good practice which can boost the morale of the fellow technocrats and staff at their respective industries. Otherwise, Rotary does a lot of social work, which is a commendable thing. And it has gone one step forward under the governorship of Sri Hanuman Reddy Garu. Recently, we had also participated in some of the COVID initiatives by Rotary Nizamabad. Now, coming to me, or Vasanta Tool Crafts. In fact, now most of the people refer to it as just Vasanta. It's a long journey of 32 years, started in 1989 in a small rented premises with 5 small basic machines and 10 people. Today we operate quite advanced machines, robotic equipment, and host of conventional tool room machines. We employ about 600 people, and our sister concern, Renco Plastic Wraps, which is into injection molding business, employs about another 600 people and about 300 contract labor. We also have two overseas operations, one in Austria, Europe, and the other one in USA. And let me tell you what we do. To make any plastic article, right from your toothpaste cap to any plastic article, rigid plastic article, you need a mold. So we design and manufacture that mold. So it wasn't an easy journey. We worked hard almost all along. Our dedicated team, good work, and attitude of quality first, and good after-sales support helped us gain a lot of customers, domestic and international. We have made good investments on the technology. We have 3 robotic cells which can work in lights off mode. Lot of other new technologies in the field of mold making can be seen at Vasanta's premises. Ours is a commercial tool room, and I'm proud to say that we are the biggest among the commercial tool rooms in India. And we export, like last year, we exported about 70% of our products by value to various countries, including advanced countries. Our strategy had been to focus on the customers, employees, and technology or the infrastructure. We commit less and deliver more. That had been our sutra. And quality is spoken at every level, every day, every moment inside the factory. Our growth can be attributed to our team, infrastructure, and the R&D. I was 27 when I started this business, now in the vicinity of 60 years. So I can take some liberty in saying a few things to my fellow MSME entrepreneurs and budding entrepreneurs. It's 3M, that is men, materials, and machines. Employees, pay them reasonably well, have target-linked incentive programs, increase their knowledge levels by exposing them to new technologies. Focus on the materials, R&D activities, that's our second important point. Thirdly, machines. Keep upgrading your technology, your infrastructure to the current levels or the contemporary levels. Initially, don't spend too much on the office interiors, etc., or lavish things, or the comforts that can come later. Learn every day and be customer focused. And for the students who want to be entrepreneurs, I would say that you can't become a businessman because some known person of yours had become a businessman. You will become whatever you want to become. You will become what your passion is and what your art is, or where your art is. You need to develop that requisite passion. Study for the knowledge, not for the marks. Marks will automatically follow the knowledge. Domain knowledge is a must. You can't depend on someone for that. And pursue your post-graduation as you are not a master in any subject at graduation level. Work for a few years at least to get the knowledge on industrial activities and manufacturing activities, human resource relations, industrial relations, etc. When you get into the business, there's no substitute for your hard work. You need to put the requisite hard work. There's no escape. Then comes the determination or the grit. You're putting hard work, but success may not come in few months, for which you need to be determined on your goal. Finally, perseverance. There were many occasions where I felt, oh, why did I come into this activity? But you forget all that pain once you see your product performing after a few more days of hard work or perseverance. Don't run for money. Your good work will automatically bring the money. So focus on that good work, customer satisfaction. Then starts word of mouth and your name is everywhere. Before all this, you need to be a good human being. Today, there's a big scarcity of this. So inculcate good habits to be a good human being. Perhaps I have taken enough time. Once again, I wholeheartedly thank the organizers for giving me this opportunity and also honoring me. I wish all the very best in all your future endeavors. Vasanta will definitely participate in some of your initiatives in future at appropriate time. With these few words, I take leave of you. Thank you.